Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On my left, we have the Holystone HS-430, and on my right, the ATTOP drone. Let's see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. Metaphorically, of course. Or maybe not. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. The Holystone HS-430 comes in at a wallet-friendly $77. Reviewers love that it's budget-friendly while still offering solid performance. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, is priced at $109. Some users feel the extra cost is justified, given its additional features and better build quality. Is the extra dough worth it? Let's find out. Holystone HS-430 boasts a 1080p camera that's perfect for capturing your neighbor's embarrassing backyard dance moves. Smooth FPV transmission means you can watch the drama unfold in real time. Reviewers appreciate the camera quality, but note that stability could be improved. Now, the ATTOP drone steps it up with a 1080p 120 degrees wide-angle camera. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a bird. Reviewers love the wide-angle lens, but have mixed feelings about the durability of the camera. You'll capture everything, literally everything. The HS-430 gives you nearly 30 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to fly around, take some sweet pics, and maybe even spy on your crush. Just kidding. Reviewers mention that the battery life meets expectations. But hold on to your propellers, folks. The ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but 3 batteries, giving you a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. More batteries, more fun. Users appreciate the extra battery, but have noted some issues with battery malfunctions. The HS-430 is packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, and my personal favorite, throw to go. Reviewers praise these features, but note that the drone can be a bit loud. The ATTOP drone isn't slacking off either. It's got 1 key return, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, and AG sensor for VR glasses. And yes, it also has gesture control, so you can pretend you're a Jedi. Users find these features fun, but have experienced some reliability issues, especially with the propellers. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, making them perfect travel companions. The HS-430 fits in the palm of your hand, while the ATTOP drone comes with a well-fitted carrying case. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, but note that the HS-430 is especially convenient for quick trips. The ATTOP drone, while portable, has had some users mention the case quality could be better. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS-430 to be a great budget-friendly option with solid performance and fun features. The ATTOP drone, while more expensive, offers extended flight time and a wide-angle camera, but has had some reliability issues according to user reviews. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to what features matter most to you. So which drone should you go for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a solid camera and some fun features, the Holystone HS-430 is your guy. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for extra flight time and a wide-angle camera, the ATTOP drone might just be your new best friend. Either way, you're getting a flying gadget that's sure to impress, or at least make your neighbors jealous. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and spending smart.